Hi guys, this is Camry USA. I have a problem with my Toyota Camry. Look at this. One of the washer nozzle doesn't work well and I don't like it. I want to show you how to fix it. So let's go. Let's do it. Look at here. We have nozzle inside and we just need to push right here to the front, and that's it. So now I'm going to take off this nozzle, and it's very simple. Just turn a little bit. Okay. Here. And what we have here is fine. So the problem is here. Problem is here. Now we have to clean this part. We can check and have to make sure that it works without nozzle. Let's try to check it. Yeah, it's work. So the problem is with nozzle. We have to clean this part. Now let's go. So guys, let's try to do it with it pump like this, and we just blow this stuff. Just put it here and pump. So guys, look at this. What was inside? It is mosquitoes. Wow, it's so crazy. So now guys, I'm sure it's clean and I'm going to install it back. So now we just push this pipe back. Now first we just push backside. We just set up backside and just press here. Yeah, that's it. So guys, we're close to the end and we have to check how it works now. Let's go. It works good. So guys, subscribe to my channel. In the next video I'm gonna show you how to change cabin air filter and maybe air engine filter